Welcome to my 5th grade Google Classroom. I'm going to introduce you to my online formative assessment. As you can see, here is my page, Mrs. D's 5th graders. The assignment or assessment is the Boston Tea Party skit. Create a fictional family in 1773 that includes a husband, wife, sons, and daughters. Create a script that will discuss the family's reaction to the Boston Tea Party. This family's discussion will need to contain both the patriot and loyalist point of view. They'll need to make sure to include 2 events that happened prior to the Boston Tea Party. Each group in the class will be assigned a Google document for their skit. Each student is responsible for creating their own lines. A color will be chosen for the student to use when they type their lines. So let's now go to the Google document attached to this assignment. Each student will receive their own document, same instructions that we read on the assignment page. You'll have a group number and the students who are involved and the color that each person will use depending on who they decide for each character. This assessment will help with their understanding of multiple events that led up to the American Revolution. Students will be able to understand multiple perspectives on this topic using this information. From this assessment, I may have to adjust my lesson moving forward. We'll go back to my page here. I'm introducing this Google Classroom as a YouTube video because we found some difficulty connecting some emails to Google Classroom. Some educational institutions have to authorize the use of it. I was able to create a Google Classroom with my own personal account. Thanks.